Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
May I know your name?
My name is Priya Day.
Where do you stay, ma'am?
I live in Powai itself, in Lake Holmes.
Okay, and what is the age of your child?
He is 6.5, soon to be 7 in November.
Okay, so what kind of classes were you looking out for him?
I was looking at initiating him into music, basically.
Okay.
So I did evaluate a few freelancers in the past, who come home and teach keyboard and
Right.
such instruments. But I wasn't too very happy with the approach. So it was very haphazard for my liking. And then I heard about Fatados through media promos and newspapers and word of mouth. So what I liked about Fatados was the syllabus that they're following.
Okay.
So and that is something as a child even I wanted to learn as far as music is concerned. The pattern that they follow. There's a format. There's a fixed structure in which it's not just directly getting into chords and notes and everything, but it is understanding the history and where it's coming from and the legends who were in it, things like that. So that's what appealed to me about Fatados, and that's why I put my son here for piano.
Okay.
So he has done his first session, the first part, and now he's in the second one.
Okay. So before finalizing on Fatado School of Music, did you consider some other classes as well in option?
No. Any school of music? No, I did not.
Okay.
I came straight to Fatados.
Fine. So out of your personal experience, what are the two best things you feel about Fatado School of Music?
I like the trainers here.
Okay.
And like I said, I like the syllabus that they're following at the moment for piano.
Okay, fine.
So the homework that he gets home and everything, and they're quite transparent with what they're going to be doing in the next class. So we are emailed, they sent mails about that, what exactly should we take up at home with the child and stuff. So that's what I like best of that.
Okay. And do you feel that anything could be better?
In what way?
Anything that could be improved?
Improvise, you mean?
Yes.
Yes. The only thing is sometimes I feel when he's 7 years of age almost. So as per his age group, his sensitivity, his preparedness, they could probably step up the portion a bit, step up the syllabus a bit. So somewhere I feel it's still dragging on a bit, wherein he could probably move a little ahead. He could progress a little sooner than, because of course they're going very slow and stepwise, which is understandable, but probably they could make an exception for some kids, with keeping their age in mind.
Right. And finally, if you were to recommend Fatado School of Music to some of the parents, on a scale of 5, how likely are you to recommend them? 1 being the lowest and 5 being the highest?
3.5.
3.5. Thank you so much.
You're most welcome.